Okay guys, I'm building a new camper trailer, and this one is going to be a little bigger than the last one. The last one I built was 4x8. This one is going to be 5'8" by 9 foot long. And I'm just going to kind of show you what I've done so far. Really nothing exciting other than completion of some various stages. Let me just show you what I've done. I've built this trailer frame. This is some 2 3/8 inch drill stem pipe that I had in the back. The frame is made of that. The subframe is made of that. The tongue is 2 inch, 1/4 inch thick, and I have that securely fastened with, this is a large piece of C-channel. I had to buy a new axle. You can see it in there. That's a 3,500 pound axle. And it's actually meant for a 6 foot wide trailer. Got the hitch on, the little roll around device, I don't know what you call that, little tongue jack, I guess what you call it. Anyway, it's coming along really good. I've done quite a bit of work, lots of welding. Now this frame here, this is the actual frame, and it is made of 1.5 inch tubing. I have it secured to the subframe with bolts. I drill through there, pre-drilled, and then put in some self-tapping bolts in there. The wiring for the trailer lights I ran through this through the trailer itself, and I've put in 1.5 inches of insulation. See if I can show you. And everywhere that a wire went through the trailer, I put a piece of rubber tubing and siliconed it. And you can see the wiring is actually sandwiched in between the 1.5 inch insulation. So that should make for a fairly secure, comfortable ride for the wiring. Shouldn't be any chafing on that. The next step I'm going to do is I'm going to add the plywood flooring, and I'm going to run them in this direction. It'll take me 1, 2, and almost 3 sheets to actually complete this, because I don't want to have the edge of the plywood on the insulation. I want it secured to the cross rails. Anyway, that's what I've got going on, guys. This is going to be a really nice trailer, 9 foot long, 5'8" inches wide. That'll be plenty of room. If we needed to, we could sleep crossways in it. I'm only 5'5", so I'll have plenty of room to sleep either crossways or longways. It depends on however many people we have in there. Good and insulated, well built, good welds on this thing. Let's see. These are some tires and rims off of an old Jeep YJ that I'd bought. And you can see the shackles and springs. All that's in there, looking good. Welded up nicely. So, again, next step is add the plywood flooring. Okay, I've got my first sheet cut, and I've got it clamped on the corners. All I'm going to do now is screw that one down, then I'll add my second sheet. Alright, that was the last screw for the top, and that looks really good, nice and square. Alright, so what I'm going to do next is kind of fill these holes and make a good flat foundation to put my flooring on there.